A lesser-known cough and immunity syrup made from common household leaves. This natural mixture helps you breathe easier and provides relief from infections with its essential oils. It's a great alternative to onion syrup, which not everyone likes. This syrup uses just 3 ingredients. First, bay leaves, which contain cineol and eugenol with antibacterial and antifungal properties, as well as camphor and linalool for anti-inflammatory effects. Start with 8 bay leaves. Boil 250 milliliters of water in a pot, add the leaves, reduce heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes. Strain the leaves and let the liquid cool. Stir in 6 tablespoons of honey until dissolved, then add the juice of 1 lemon, transfer to a clean jar, and seal. Adults can take 3 tablespoons daily on an empty stomach, while children should have 3 teaspoons. This syrup also helps with digestive issues, indigestion, and bloating. It's inexpensive and easy to make but invaluable for your health.